breakfast. Yum.
It's my first time doing grilled cheese
Look at
sandwich.
this masterpiece. Look at my masterpiece.
It's burned. I'm sorry.
Yummy. Oh my god, this is so great.
Conclusion, we need a microwave.
Right?
I don't know how to do grilled cheese.
Move it and get back to the same spot. Yeah, I like that.
It sounds like you're singing a song. We're editing photos, and this is what's happening. You look like an owl. Only because I'm so close and I just see these big eyes. The big eyes.
So it goes faster. He's like Rudolph, and then Panther, and then
Cancer?
yeah, and then.